Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable camera timer on iOS 18. To enable camera timer, go to Camera app, then click on this arrow on the top of your screen and click on the timer icon. Now you can set a timer to 3, 5 or 10 seconds. I'm gonna choose 5 seconds. And now let's take a photo with a timer. I'm gonna take a photo of this plant. Let's just click on the shutter. And now it starts counting. You can see that it also indicates that it will the time of the timer with its flashlight. And then we can go to the photo. You can see it got taken as a burst of 10 photos, so we can choose our favorite one. And we can also choose a few ones, then press on done. And you can keep everything or keep only 2 favorites. I'm gonna keep only 2 favorites, and now they have been kept. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.